Hello everyone, and welcome to a new video. So this time I've got a review of this backpack that I've got on, which is the Fjallraven Singi 28 litre backpack. So if I just shuffle around, you can kind of see what it looks like on me. Now, I've been using this backpack for the best part of a year, almost on a weekly basis. So it's been my go-to bushcraft bag. Whenever I've done any sort of conservation work, I've been out and about with this rucksack, using it to carry everything that I need for a day's worth of work in the woods. So if you want to come a bit closer, you can have a look at some of the features. I say the big thing about this bag is that it is and one of the reasons why I chose it was that it is a front opening bag. So you can get it from the top there, or you can unzip it all the way down and then access everything from top to bottom all the way. So in terms of organization, you have a mesh panel pocket there, you've got some paracord, you've got a security pocket for all of the kind of odds and ends. I've got a pad and pencil and that kind of stuff in there. And then there's an absolutely massive full zip opening in the lid. So now the pack itself doesn't actually come with these pouches I've got on the side. These are actually additional extra, so you will have to pay extra for them, but they are really decent, and they add another, I'd say almost 2 litres per side, so that takes us up well into the 30 litre capacity, which is as much as most people will need for a bushcraft day out. Also has this bungee cord on the front. Now, I actually haven't found a use for this. I'm thinking of removing it entirely and getting one of the gear holders, which is a slightly smaller pocket size thing, just mount it on the front, and then I can get a tripod or an axe or something right on the front there. Talking about axes, there is actually space behind the pockets there, and you can slide a long saw or an axe or some hiking poles or whatever down the side, because there actually isn't a dedicated hiking or axe loop anywhere on the bag. In terms of back panel, everything is very simple and straightforward. There's no adjustment in length, and it's just a straight kind of padded mesh panel sides on the inside of the straps. The whole thing with this pack is it is very bare bones. One of the reasons why I chose this particular one was that there's very little that can get damaged. So other packs might have mesh on the side or on the front, like in the water bottle pockets, and when that goes past the brambles patch, you're going to rip holes in it, you're going to damage it, it's not going to last the full test of time. Because of that, and as well as that, I should say, it is also made with Fjallraven's G1000 material, which is a polycotton blend, which is very robust. You can wax it. See, I've been using this for the, as I said, best part of a year, tossing it all over the place, and there's very little wear. And there's also a reinforced patch on the bottom, which is their heavy duty. It's also slightly waterproof. So, as I said, a very robust bag. The downside there is it's going to weigh a lot more. Generally, if you want something more durable, it is going to weigh more. There are compromises to be made, but in general, durability means extra weight. But if you're looking for something that will really stand the test of time and will see you through a lot of very hard use activities, this is a great pack. For those who are looking for something lighter weight, more hiking based, I'd have a look at some of the Osprey bags or some of the lighter Fjallraven bags like the Keb or the Bergtagen or something in that range. But for everyday bushcraft bag, I think I'd struggle to find a better one, and I really enjoy it. I find it really comfortable, and I reckon you'll like it too. So I hope you enjoyed this review, and until next time, see you.